So welcome all. I think it was our dream of Government of India to bring everybody under one roof. And I think very happy today by the blessings of R.N. Srinivasagowda sir, who is my mentor, and all the institutes here. We are really happy to have you together. And this is for the benefit of the nation and for the country. Thank you so much. And let me quickly go through maybe 10 minutes presentation. This is the flow of the presentation. 75 our name change, 81 duck farm, and then you can see in 2003 we renamed it as CPDO and TI. So our mandates is high level training, and then we are producing low input technology birds. We produce ducks, we produce turkeys, we do entrepreneurs program, we give consultancy, market intelligence, and support for central sector schemes. And this picture reminds me the old era where you can see a Charlie Chaplin Jeep and the old setup. And we are proudly saying today we are able to convert entire farm into automation. 12 sheds are automated, and now we are proudly say that we are the only institution in Government of India with 12 sheds automation. So this is the testing center which we converted into automation facility, which we started in 1970. 72 we started our institute, hostel and building, and you can see duck farm was started by European consultants, Kotlang. They came and established one of the largest duck farm till date in Southeast Asia. We have 10,000 breeding stock capacity. And this is the overview. If you fly over us, you will see the biggest campus in India. 150-acre campus, you can see here. Right now, I am sitting here in the 15-acre training. This is the 60-acre poultry unit, and this is the automation facility, newly done. Entire 12 sheds are automated. This is the duck unit, which is 35-acre. These are residential quarters. This is a turkey unit, and this is your wonderful Hesalgata Lake background. For the trainees who come, they can relax, they can enjoy the background. And these are our milestones. I would say we are the first institute recognized by FAO for training foreign nationals. We have trained so far 55 countries, and we are the first one to release Hesalgata Hybrid 260. Today, modern layers you are seeing, 330, 300. So we were the first one to release Hesalgata Hybrid 260. The then CPP of directors, they were responsible for that. And our faculty has been trained in many places like London, Canada, Japan. I myself represented in USA for a USDA and Europe. So this is the beautiful facilities. I will not read that. You can go through yourself. And we have tie-up with many universities. We have consultancy facilities. And this is our wonderful classrooms. So we have smart classrooms like this, almost like, 3 classrooms at ECHO. We can conduct 3 sessions concurrently. And this is our wonderful hostel, where you can come and stay in an international hostel. And this is our digital library. And this was inaugurated by none other than our late, past former Joint Secretary, Sri Sanjay Bhus Reddy, and the Director of IAS Academy, Suri Gangadharan sir. This is our digital library. Foreign students you can see. You can see our faculty helping the students to prepare their seminars and other things, because we conduct 6 weeks programs. So this is another picture of that. And you can see as early as 2016, we released our app. You can see our Joint Secretary sir, R.N. Srinivasagowda sir, and all the luminaries. We released our app, and which will be revamping in latest app by next 15 days. We'll be releasing a latest app. In that, all training audios, records of this session also will be available speaker wise, because many times people may not be watching 3 hours video. So we will make it in a short form. Each speaker's video will be available in the days to come in regional language, even Kannada also. We are trying to dub your entire presentation in Kannada, and it will be available in Kannada and future Hindi and other languages also. This is our app, but we will be revamping it in a 15 days time. So we have put information kiosk in our facilities. These are the pictures of our ongoing programs. You can see here many programs we conducted for foreign nationals. And we have conducted programs for bankers. It's interesting to note. You may ask me, sir, what is the course you conduct for bankers? The reason is the poultry project in Himachal Pradesh may be as small as 2 lakhs. But when you come to Coimbatore, the project is 2 crores and 20 crores. The 20 managers used to be shared, and that's how we used to go for a bigger way. So you can see here, NABARD training also we did in a large way. NABARD AGMs were trained. Even we conduct workshops for IVPA, Institution of Veterinarians in Poultry. We conduct workshops. We conduct workshops for KPFBA. We conduct workshops for many of the people. This is the shed where I would like you to focus it. the most latest facility we have put in our CPDO. It is the automation facility where a feed comes auto, distribution auto, and the egg collection is also. You can see here we conducted workshops for biosecurity because this was a problem earlier where pollution control board officers were creating an issue. So that's why we brought two former vice chancellors. You can see Dr. Srinivas Gowda sir and Dr. Prabhakaran. We trained biosecurity workshops for the large group. Entire pollution control board officers were trained in the state. From then onwards, we could not have a problem from pollution control board. We trained women entrepreneurs, and you can see even FVO delegates, Food and Veterinary Organization delegates visited our facilities to recognize our institute also. And we are a paper-free training institute. We give all the modules in CD. You can see here, we give a CD format and a certificate. All presentations will be in CD format. And we do a lot of training for youth also. You can see the young entrepreneurs training. And this is the advantage for us because Bangalore is a hub of poultry. So whenever you come to Bangalore, you find the best of the broiler farms, best of the layer farms, best of the breeding farms. So since we have a good rapport with the industry, we take them to such facilities and show the broiler units, layer units. You can see the layer unit. You can see the breeder unit visited by our trainees. And even we take them to retail shops because this is where the money is there. Because we are very good in production, but we are very poor in marketing. We help the entrepreneurs. We help our trainees to see that how a real chicken marketing is happening in the field level. We take them to egg powder plant, which is one of the best plant in Bangalore, maybe around 100 kilometers from this place. They're crushing around 7 lakh eggs per day and exporting to Japan and Europe. And this is again our good friends of we take to Sugna feed plant, which is the biggest, I would say, 1,200 metric ton or 2,000 metric ton per day production capacity. And we visited Colonel Joshi may recognize us. We visited their institute also with our faculty, foreign trainees into their institute. And this is again feed mill from this thing. We take them right to the companies. Cargill is one large company. I don't know how many of you know. This is the largest animal husbandry sector company with $150 billion turnover and still a family-run business in the world. So this is one of the biggest. You can see we take our trainees to feed mills right at the spot to understand. So this is the again VH Group headquarters. We take our foreign trainees to headquarters of the Suguna VH like that. And this is our sister concern. You can see National Institute of Animal Nutrition and Physiology. Again, such institutes are there for you to support. You can see Nivedi, National Institute of Veterinary Epidemiology, Disease Investigation, CFTRI, and our own Dr. Chatterjee sir sitting where we are taking Directorate of Poultry Research also. We take even to the hotel. See, this is one example where our foreigners got surprised. We have put a separate hotel in Mysore by one of the entrepreneurs for a Desi Murgi. He has invested 50 lakhs and the turnover now is reaching around 14 crores. His entire business on Desi poultry. So this is the cool ambience. As I reiterate, Poultry Training Institute facilities are in green. So rest assured, all the participants, they can come and enjoy, relax, and then find a nice environment. So this is our old poultry unit. You can see in 1960, we established almost like 50 sheds. And our focus is more on rural poultry. We are focusing more on rural poultry. This is our hatchery. This is our modern automation shed. You can see inside pictures. So this is the heart of automation. Wherever you go, whether it is Venkateshwara or Suguna or any company, this is the heart of the automation. It is called scanner. It's the auto scanning equipment where distribution happens by sensors. So you can precisely distribute whatever the quantity of feed you want in this bin. So this is the automation facility here for the automation of feeding, automation of watering. You can see here nest boxes. So such facilities are the one to replicate in the future for the coming days for the other institutions also. You can see the nest boxes. So these are our products like Chabro. Asil Cross is a great hit. We are distributing all across the country. Asil Cross. The business model of Asil Cross is, simple people invest around 90 rupees for the entire 90 days period for the growing and maybe around 40 rupees cost and they sell around 250 to 300 per piece. This is our original breed of India. What earlier we used to call as Asil is Asli. So that is how the breed Asil Cross we have taken from CRI, we have taken from other institutions and made it. And this is our own breed called Kaveri. So we are multiplying Kaveri in such a way that you will not believe in Maharashtra duplicate Kaveris are coming. Many people are asking, they are copying like a distillery and they are making it like their own products. So that is how the Kaveri has been a great innovation from our institute, wherein the minimum waiting period will be 3 months. So we are one of the largest place, I would say. We have parent stock capacity of 20,000 parent stock we have. So we have a duck unit, which is again, as I told you, established by European collaboration. This is the duck hatchery. These are the Peking ducklings. You can see we produce one of the largest duck in the world, I would say, because male would attain a body weight of 4 kilos, 4.5 kilos. Female will be 3 kilos. A great demand from the industry in a large segment of the northeast, West Bengal, Kerala. And this we produce. Khaki Campbell is our egg variety. And this also we have around stock capacity of 8,000. And we have turkey unit. This again we imported from US. One of the largest turkey producer, I would say. We have stocks about 4,000 parent stock. You can see the nicely done shade and runways. And we have put in all biosecurity plan because of the background of you see bird flu. Now I think we suffered bird flu in 2012 also, and the entire country is got educated by 2006 itself that this is a very significant plan. First is the signage, vehicle washer facilities, lime barrier, disinfectant food dips at the shed levels, etiquette, hand wash, and biosecurity dressing. I would request all the institutions here, and through this, I would want to communicate to the poultry entrepreneurs that please give a biosecurity dressing to the farm workers. You can see our farm workers having head cap, face mask, shoe cover. Today, it is very, very common by the corona that everybody is using, face mask. But shoe cover and head caps, I would add, because this doesn't cost much, 10 rupees. And we use one of the most advanced facilities for, disinfection programs. We have a demo unit wherein, you can see people can come and get one, because 150-acre campus, they cannot show everybody. That's why we just bring one gate number 1 and show them a demo facility. And this is interesting for you. Honorable Minister wanted this to happen. So Giriraj Singh sir asked Honorable Minister to create such examples. You can see here, this is a simple hut with 2,000 rupees investment for 50 birds. This is again another model where we are using only wood here. We are using GI pipes. This model is just 10,000 rupees investment. Anybody can have 50 birds at their level. So we do conduct a lot of farmers training programs at different states. This is for you to see that in Karnataka, in Tamil Nadu, in all of the places we conduct in Kerala also. You would have seen Udumalpet, same Sugna Institute here. You can see Shumaga College, Nagarkoil College, and Tanjavur. So we have a very good Facebook page. We have a very good website. Please, I would invite everybody to be linked in that. And we conduct a lot of extension programs. Like World Egg Day, we conduct across South India. You can see none other than the mayor of Vijayawada. We did it in 2015. None other than the chief minister, then chief minister. You can see Chandrababu Naidu with our chief secretary and my joint secretary. We did a marathon programs of 2 kilometers. This is what is required. We need to be visible across the India in different segments by different institutes. This is in Hyderabad in 2014. You can see big marathon was conducted in Necklace Road. You can see Honorable MP presently, our Ranjit Reddy sir and the minister here. Now they are, they are the supporters. You can see Dr. Rao also here, Ramarao. And this is in 2013. We did it in Bangalore. And present our Honorable Joint Secretary O.P. Chaudhary sir. We regularly participate in Poultry India. You can see our Poultry, Krishi Mela, wherein 500,000 people visit. We participate there. And we always get, first prize to quote here for the display of live birds in the Krishi Mela. And a lot of delegates visit us from across India. And this is the workshop for the entrepreneurs we conduct. And now we are starting one another interesting for all the faculty here in the institute, skill development training center, because this is the need of the one has to develop how to set up a pan, how to set up an incubator, how to set up a hatcher. This is the need of the hour. See, our poultry is no more a backyard technology. We have gone very, very fast in technology adoption, but we don't know how to repair it, how to reassemble it. This I call it as a garage technology. In garage, people will see and learn. So that is what we have to establish in our training facilities. Do and no, do it yourself kind of thing. Now it is very famous. Do DIY technology. Do it yourself. So we have to give a feed mill to the trainee. The trainee should disassemble the feed mill and reassemble the feed mill. Trainee should disassemble the incubator and reassemble it. Incubator, equipment, vaccinator, even the smallest. Because we may be PhDs, we may be very thoroughly knowledgeable. We'll not be able to do this when a failure happens. So future vision. So future vision is thanks to all the institutes which joined hands with us. We will be, joining with you for creating a lot of human resource in the country. So earlier cabinet recommendation was that International Tropical Avian Management Institute. Our institute already was training from last 5 decades foreign nationals. That's why this name can be done in the future. So future vision for the germplasm, we are doing flock management with softwares, and we are having a lot of modern facilities. So what are the new initiatives which you have taken? So we are, I think, thankful to Corona in a retrograde way. I would say, unless Corona would have come, this meeting would have not happened, because getting all of you together into my institute at one day would be very, very difficult. So that's why we just harped into online training program from September. We coined 3 programs: Entrepreneurship in Poultry Awareness Week, Entrepreneurship Day, and then online discussion forums. 6 programs were successfully conducted with a Facebook view of highest being 7,000, and now total views may be more than 1 lakh. So this is a platform that we all can reach. We utilize such platforms to start programs. You can see Entrepreneurship Day. We involved entrepreneurship from across the country. Success stories were done. We will be creating such diaries and success stories very capsule wise, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, because this was a 3 hours program. We'll coming out with an app so that people can go by the press of the app to the YouTube link. Through that, you can learn the story of entrepreneur, how hardship was there in his life story, and how he is able to make a sustainable enterprise. And this is the latest one. You can see 5th one, we did an alternate species also, and presently we are doing on this day. Thanks to everyone who have been a part of our story. And other, to give you an example for us, is we have set up 100 kilowatt solar unit in our institute on the top. Presently, my institute produces more current than the consumption. So we are saving almost 30,000 rupees a month for the nation by producing solar power. And we have done all borewell water recharged by the rain water harvest. On the roof, all the rainwater is collected and we put back to the Mother Earth through the borewells. These are all the examples for you. And to conclude, I believe we are a team together. So staff welfare becomes very, very important. We just do a cake cutting on the New Year Eve, cut together and feel happy with the faculty. See, maybe my team may be around 100, with regular faculty being only a 10-hour thing. We have consultants, we have other people coming here, and we do health checkups for our faculty. There's another last 2 slides. I just want to give an idea about NAVIC. This is the program started by my sister concern organization called Nivedi. They are coming out with incubator centers. You can please share this information to everyone, because they are not getting much applications from poultry, it seems. Their current flagship program in livestock sector includes poultry. So what they are giving is, if you have an idea, they will seed fund with 5 lakhs. Your seed has a prototype, you have a technology, you have an innovative idea, they're ready to fund 25 lakhs for the entrepreneur. So this message has to be passed through all the institutes across the board to entrepreneurs. Please approach Nivedi, please approach us. We can link you through that. You can see already many entrepreneurs have started their programs, but I don't find poultry people here. So because 25 lakh rupees is a good investment for any entrepreneur or a startup to start with a concept. So if you have a concept, they'll train you. They will give you 5 lakh rupees to start with that concept. And if you have a concept of to become a prototype, they're ready to fund through the Prime Minister's program, through the Government of India program. This scheme is available. Yesterday, these people came. I said, why don't you give a slide? I'm just showing you all. So thank you very much for all the people who are listening to me patiently from the beginning. I know it's an exhaustive timing from 10:30 to till present. I'm extremely thankful for everyone, each one of you, for the kind of support you have given. So what we have achieved today is getting everyone together. In a nutshell, this will be the platform to continue. We will have our institutions together. We can design the programs together, share the facilities together. You can most welcome to come to our institute anytime. We can all work together.